Adtivate review. Hey guys, welcome to this Adtivate review, and I'm your host Shayan from nkacademy.com. And today in this Adtivate review, I'll talk about what Adtivate is, and I'll be also checking whether it's worth your investment or not. So it will have a full demo of Adtivate, and also I'll share my honest opinion and my suggestion on Adtivate review. With that being said, it's time for us to actually jump inside of Adtivate and show you how it works. So in a nutshell, Adtivate is a brand new WordPress plugin that actually helps you to make more money online by monetizing your WordPress website. Now remember, this is only going to work with WordPress website, and that also ones that you have hosting and domain for. It won't work for .wordpress.com kind of website which is hosted by WordPress, because you can't upload your own plugins within this, right? So that's the first point that you need to remember. With that being said, how it monetizes the site is that it can add text to link. That means you can have a keyword and then you can translate it into links. You can do that automatically using this plugin. Secondly, you can create banner ads and you can create pop-ups, right? So you can insert that within your website pages, and you can insert that within your post as well. Plus, on the pop-ups, you have an option to set that on exit intent or on browsing or on different activities as well. So that is in a nutshell what Adtivate does for you, right? Now, with that being said, it is time for us to actually check out whether it lives up to the expectation or not. So let's dive inside for an Adtivate demo. So for this, first thing that we need to do is log inside of Adtivate and actually download the plugin. So let's head over to the Google Chrome and let's do it. So as you can see, I'm within the Adtivate dashboard, and in here you can see on this left hand side you have got everything. You have got all these tutorials as well, but first things first, you need to download the plugin. So for that, go over to the plugins, and in here you can see this plugin over here. All that you need to do is click on this three dot and click on download, and it would be downloaded to your system. And make sure that you copy this license key, which is going to be required in future. With that being said, it's time for us to go to the next step, which is actually watching the tutorials. Now, if you want to learn more about what Adtivate is, what you can do is that on the members area, there is a tutorials which you can go through. With that being said, let's go to the next step that it has. It's installing the plugin and activating the plugin. Now, for this, you need to have a WordPress website. You need to have a hosting. So for that, we'll go over to my hosting, like here. Like you can see, I'm within my hosting. Now, if you don't know how to add plugins, all that you need to do is go over to the plugins, and you can go on and add new plugin. You need to upload the plugin. I'm not going through that. It's very simple to do. And once it has been installed, you will find it like this on your dashboard, right? Now, in here, you need to go to this license key, and in here, you need to provide the license key that I told you to copy, right? So once this is done, actually your site will be connected with the Adtivate plugin. Now let's go to the next step that it has. It has got you covered with a bonus ad creator. It's with Adtivate, but I think canva.com is a much better option. Now, there are other paid options as well, but I just restricted myself to the free option. I think you can create better ones using Canva. With that being said, let me show you is the one. So just click on that. And as you can see here, it's a very basic editor that they have, wherein they have some done for you graphics, which you can use. But again, these are all available in Canva. I think better options are available in Canva, so you can take a look at that as well. With that being said, this is a basic editor that you can use to create text, and you can create layers, overlays using this. So that's all about this one, right? So let's go over and see what else it has. Now you can use auto links. This is the first monetization feature that they have. So for this, again, let's go back to the Adtivate dashboard. And in here, if we go down, you can see auto links is available. So just click on that. And in here, you can just click on add new to set up a new rule. Now, what you need to do is that you need to enter the keywords against which there would be a link. Say, for example, you are promoting a weight loss product. So what you can do is that you can type in weight loss. So wherever in the article there is a word which is weight loss, it will actually replace it with a link. Now you can enter any link. You can have your own product. You can have a YouTube video URL. You can have affiliate product, anything and everything that you wish to. Again, a very basic thing to do. You can find a ton of free plugins which can do this for you as well. With that being said, it takes us to the next part that it has. This is called creating the ads. You can create banner ads and you can create pop-ups as well. Let me show you this one. So let's again head over to Adtivate, and in here you can find this ads. Just click on that, and again you can see I have created a couple of ads already, but I want to show you how to do that from scratch. So just click on add new, and in here you can provide it a unique name so that you can identify it. Then you need to set this status as active first of all, And then on this type, you can select either a banner or a pop-up. Now, you must be knowing what a pop-up is and what a banner is. A banner would be there by default on your page or on your post, but a pop-up pops up on certain action, maybe on exit or maybe a percentage of scroll or maybe a time delay, right? So that's up to you. Then you can also have the content type. You can select image or you can have the custom. For the custom one, you can enter the custom code. Now, where this is applicable is that you get this custom code from different affiliate programs. Like, say, for example, you are promoting Bluehost. They give you that banner code. Now, you can simply put it here and it will appear. Now, I don't find the real usage of this because it works normally. You can just put it inside of your post and it will work. Why do you need a plugin for that? I really don't understand this one. However, there's this feature. If you like, you can take a look at this. But that being said, then there are some basic things like you can add the URL where it would be redirected. Then it has some cool animation features which you want to put maybe to grab more attention. Then in here, you can have the position of it. You can set it as sticky as well. You can also have the geolocation enabled. That means you can restrict that pop-up to be shown to certain geolocation and not shown to others as well. So that's basically how it works. It works in the similar way for pop-ups and banners as well. So I have shown you how it works. Now, I want to tell you why I am unable to recommend this product to you. Now, there are several reasons for which I am not recommending Adtivate because it has certain problems. Number one problem that I faced is that it's not working. Currently, as of now that I'm reviewing the product, it's not working perfectly. The only thing that works for me is the auto link feature. Let me show you. So if I go over to post, and if I go over to all post, then I've set it up on this post on how to get Bing ad coupon worth $125 for free of cost. With that being said, I didn't find it working. However, this one, the text to link, has worked. I had set it up for Bing ads and it works perfectly. So this text to link actually works, but I had also set up the banner and the pop-ups, but I can't find them. So that's my problem number one. However, I do genuinely feel there is some basic problem that is happening. It may get fixed as well. Still, even if it gets fixed, then also I'm not recommending because it works only if you have a WordPress and you have your own hosting, because otherwise you are not going to be able to do this, first of all. Secondly, for a newbie, there is generally no traffic to their website. Even if you purchase a hosting, even if you create a website, first of all, that requires a bit of technical expertise. However, I remove that aspect from here. I'm assuming that you are techie and you are able to set up a website. You are not going to get traffic into that, right? Secondly, you are not going to have any contents. So for that, you need to again purchase one of the upgrades. I think it's about $67 called the Auto Blogger. So it has quite an expense things to do. And then again, the auto blogging stuff normally doesn't rank you. For that, again, you need to buy a spinner. So there is a lot of expense that is actually hidden, right? Now, the next thing is that I really think all of these are doable if you are using any page editor like Elementor or Gutenberg or any post editor. You can just insert a short code, you can insert a custom HTML, you can insert an image, and you can add a hyperlink to it. Everything is doable. Why the hell do you need this plugin? I really don't understand the real justification of this, right? So you can do all of this stuff for free of cost. With that being said, again, as I told you, free plugins are available. So you can just search the internet and you can get better options. That's for sure. Again, the only thing that I found is quite working, maybe a couple of things. One is the ad creator, but Canva is a lot better option. You can sign up for free on Canva and you can create a lot of better graphics. There are paid tools, but they are a lot more efficient than this simple basic graphics editor that they are providing you. Now, with that being said, again, like what are the alternate products that you can consider at similar pricing, but that is going to really give you a lot of value? So the first of them is called Click Designs. Now, if you don't know Click Designs, then it's all-in-one graphics builder. I use it regularly in my business. Let me show you quickly what it is. So here I am within my dashboard. And if I scroll down here, you can see I use this regularly for my business. You can find most of the graphics that I use in my bonus pages are from this. Then you can see there are a ton of templates available on each of these. Like you can create graphics, logos, box shots, covers, sheets, devices, mockups, bundles, and you can even go here and find design, illustration, annotation, backgrounds, funnel graphics, thumbnails, marketing, anything and everything. So you can even create cool YouTube thumbnails with this. The best part, again, everything is done for you. Let me show you another few tools that I use for my business and my agency. The second one in question is App Owls. Now, if you don't know what it is, it's a simplest app builder that you can imagine. It can create iOS mobile apps and Android mobile app. You can go ahead and publish them on Play Store as well. You can create progressive web apps with it. You don't need any technical expertise whatsoever. If you can build websites using WordPress, then it's even easier to build mobile apps using App Owls. That's how easy it is. With that being said, if you want to take a look at App Owls review, I'll leave a link in the description. Again, you can check out it from there. Let me show you how cool the App Owls app is. I really hope that you are able to see my screen over here, right? So this one is one of them. So NKR Foods, if I click over here, then you can see there's a nice looking splash screen that I can actually customize with my own logo and my branding. Then if you see, it's opening up and it looks quite beautiful, right? You can even take orders from in here. You can have e-commerce apps as well. It's very, very easy to set up everything. You can even accept payments from here. So if anybody clicks on this buy now, then actually they would be able to pay me and complete the order. That's how cool stuff this is. You can see the shopping cart opens up, and in here you can select the shipping criteria and anything and everything about it. So that is in a nutshell how easy it is to use. Now, I really don't want to take you deeper into this right inside this Adtivate review, but if you wish to look at App Owls review, then I'll leave a link in the description as well. You can check it out for yourself. Now, the third tool that I use for myself is called the AVA22. Now, this is a brand new AI-based software that actually creates self-hosted websites for yourself or your clients, and it creates it from a keyword. From all the contents and all the design, everything is done for you. So that's quite cool one, again, at a one-time price. And last but not the least is the e-course agency. Now, we all know how big the online education industry is currently, like the e-learning industry. It's booming, and you can also take a test of it with this brand new e-course agency software that actually has a video and a text-to-speech software, so that you don't need to show your face or record your voice, but still you can create video courses that sells like hotcakes. Again, this is priced at a very low one-time price again for you. With that being said, that is all that I use on my business. It's not absolutely necessary for you to use them as well. I just wanted to make sure that you know about some legitimate products that can really help you to make more money online. With that being said, I'll leave all the links in the description. You can check out any of the reviews that you wish to. Now it's time for us to go for the conclusion about Adtivate review. So as per my opinion, again, this is strictly my opinion, that I don't think you really require to invest on this, because you can find free plugins that does these works for you. You can use Canva to create better designs than that ad designer that they have. And all of these stuffs can be done for free. You can even have pop-ups for free. There are a ton of plugins that are available which does it. With that being said, again, the front end comes for only 5 sites. That means if you are actually looking to build a business out of this, then you need to purchase the OTO one, which is the unlimited one, and it's going to cost you $197 per year. With that being said, if you are new to this channel and haven't seen me before, I am Shayan from nkacademy.com, and in this channel, I do have this regular product reviews where I go in honest and deep review of the products to make sure that it would be helpful for your business and you can make more money out of it. With that being said, if that sounds good to you, then please hit a like. And if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing this channel, because this is the only channel where you get honest reviews of different products that can help you to make more money online. Now, with that being said, I'm also going to give you a Bing Ads coupon code worth $125 for free of cost as a thank you for sticking on with me till the end of this video. With that being said, all that you need to do to claim this is go down on the comment and comment I need this coupon, like you can see over here, and I'll share it with you so that this can help you to bring in a ton of paid traffic for free of cost. It's your good friend Shayan bidding goodbye from you until we meet again somewhere over the internet, where I'll show you how you can make more money online in a legit way, in a passive. Signing off is Shayan from NK Academy. Take care. Bye bye.